Have you ever thought that with just a few Docker commands, you can create and run a complete web server? No need to install NGINX, no complicated configuration required. Hi everyone, this is Phương. Today I'll show you how to create, run, and test a real-world Dockerized application all in just a few minutes. A short video, but guaranteed to help you understand Docker from the core. Let's get started, okay? First of all, we need to install Docker on Ubuntu server. Open the terminal and run the following commands: sudo apt update with option Y, enter, sudo apt install with option Y, docker.io, enter, sudo systemctl enable docker, and start docker. After installation, check the docker version. Docker version. Enter. Okay. Now let's pull the official NGINX image to the server. However, if Docker is running properly, switch to root for faster operations. Sudo with option I. Now let's pull the official NGINX image to the server. Sudo docker pull NGINX later. Enter. Now check the available images. Docker images ls. You can see the NGINX images wizard put listed in the output. Okay. Now let's run an NGINX container with the following command: docker run enter. Check running containers. Docker container ls. You should see the up status, meaning the NGINX container is running successfully. Okay, now let's create a simple HTML page. Okay, then copy this file into the NGINX container. Enter. Now we will access the NGINX containers shells. Docker exec with option IT NGINX container min bash. Enter. And we can access the NGINX web server curl http localhost. Enter. Okay, you should see the line. Welcome to my custom NGINX server page. Okay, which means we successfully replaced the default NGINX page. Okay, next let's create a Docker file to build a custom images. Create the file, touch Docker file, nano Dockerfile, and paste this content inside. Okay. Now we create the index.html file. Then build the new image. Enter. Okay. Then check the newly built image. Docker images. Okay. Tag it with a new version. Docker tag and the INI app version 1. Enter. Enter. Okay. Now run the new container. Enter. Check running containers. Docker PS. Okay, and test the application. Curl HTTP localhost. Enter. You should see the message. Welcome to my custom NGINX server page using Dockerfile, meaning our Dockerized web server is running successfully. Okay. After testing, we should stop and remove the containers to keep our environment clean. Okay. Docker container ls. Okay. Docker container stop. Enter. Enter. Okay. And that's it. You've completed the full process of creating, building, running, and testing a fully Dockerized application. Just a few commands. Yet you touch the real power of Docker packaging, deploying, and running applications anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about the Docker or DevOps topics you'd like me to cover next. I read every comment and always pick the more practical, hands-on topics to teach you. I'm Phil, and my mission is to help you master technology faster, more effectively, and more practically. See you in the next video. Okay?